What I like most is how hands-on we are. When I first started the program, I didn't think I'd be throwing on gear and going outside, using hoses, fire hydrants. We're super active and very hands-on. That's my favorite thing. That's what I like the most in our program.
I just like the environment. I like the instructor that we have. I like having the ability to be hands-on.
So for starters, we're the only fire academy in Central Florida. Starting next year, even if you're not here at East River, students from other schools can come and join our program. We're kind of like a very versatile program and very unique. Not a lot of programs are doing the things we do. So I believe that it's a great opportunity. That's why I think people should join.
So one reason why you would want to join this program is it will straighten you up. It'll straighten you up, you become a better person, and you can become more hands-on in the fire service, and it's a really good it's a really good academy.
There is no other program like the First Responders program. A lot of students from not only East River can join our program. It ranges throughout OCPS. So even if you don't come here to East River, if you go to a different school and you're still interested in the fire rescue program, you can still join. Naturally, I'm a very competitive person. Instructor Weiser he gives us a lot of drills and a lot of things to do. And so when you're in that let's get it done mindset, even if you're not naturally competitive, everybody out there is trying to do their best and come out on top. So we all push each other to do our best.
I just want to get into Valencia, and I want to be a firefighter. So, and Valencia is a part of, it's a gateway into the fire service. As East River, the First Responding Academy, it filters in to Valencia.
I really didn't think I'd be given an opportunity like this. So for me to come out to our program and be given all the opportunities that I've been given so far.
I was very shy in the beginning, and then I got to know people, and I've understood how people work, and I get to become just a more social person.
I wanted to go into the Army, but now I'm kind of 50-50 on Army or the fire service based off of the curriculum that we have here at school.
I want to go into the Valencia College and become a firefighter.